Building a vessel that can carry 7,000 people across a raging ocean isn't just shipbuilding, it's a multi-billion-dollar engineering miracle. Welcome back to Grand Scale. Today, we're going inside the high-tech industrial shipyards where massive sheets of raw steel are bent, cut, and assembled into floating mechanical cities. The secret to these massive structures lies in modular construction. Instead of building a ship from the bottom up like a house, engineers break the entire vessel down into giant prefabricated blocks. These blocks are manufactured in indoor workshops, sometimes miles away from the water. Each block contains all the internal piping, structural steel supports, and intricate electrical wiring pre-installed. When a block is ready, colossal gantry cranes, some capable of lifting over 1,500 tons, move them into a dry dock. The precision required to align these pipe racks and massive hull sections leaves zero room for error. Lasers guide the crane operators, ensuring that blocks weighing as much as 300 school buses align down to the exact millimeter. Once in position, highly skilled structural welders fuse the blocks together. The welding seams are tested using advanced X-ray technology because a single microscopic crack could cause a structural failure out at sea. After the hull is completely sealed, the dry dock is flooded, and the Titan floats for the very first time. It takes millions of hours of labor, advanced automation, and fearless engineering to turn raw iron into a master of the ocean. What part of this mega construction process surprises you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Grand Scale for more deep dives into the world's most incredible engineering marvels.